I think it's pretty much fun, and this was my first time attending such type of program. So I've been like recently, 2 years back only I got promoted to different roles into the leadership role. I guess this is important at this point in time where I'm just at the stage where I'm growing in this particular role. So pretty much good, fun, with lots of activities. Though there was theory, which
Yes,
was there, of all the frameworks and etc. But
absolutely.
with that, there were a lot of activities which we were doing with different sets of people. So it was pretty much fun, and we also got to know different personalities and people as well. I have never, even when I enrolled for this particular program, I was just, I asked my colleague, "Hey, why this is servant? I mean, really servant leadership? Why I have to enroll in such kind of program where, I mean, what they'll teach us?" And all sorts of questions were coming to my mind. Leadership, I've gone through few of these styles and concepts earlier, but not as the part of the training. So this was new for me. I think it should work, because there, though I mean, whatever the trainers taught us in the training there, I mean, it was in the form of frameworks, but then a lot of things we were already implementing, knowing unknowingly. But then a lot of things we were already doing it because they were part of our values. Ram, he's always, whichever session he takes, he always talks about the values. So I think that is already in our blood. It's just we got more insights about it. We got more information how to implement it in the real life. And there were things, I also got to know there were things which I thought that I am doing, but actually I was not.
Yes.
So it was quite informative, and I got to know a lot of things which maybe in near future, maybe progressively, I'll be following up, and I'll also pass on this information to my team as well, because they are also in that stage where they should learn few of these aspects so that they can grow. There was this thing, emotional, where we were learning about this emotional connect with the people. So I guess that you can also implement it in your personal life as well. There were points during the training where I was thinking, oh हाँ ऐसा तो मैं घर पे करती हूँ with my husband, maybe I don't listen to him, or when he
Listening.
comes up listening persuasion. So when he comes up with his office stories, or problems, how do I react? Actually, I don't listen to him. I should listen to him. So a lot of things were there, which I think I can also include it in my personal, personal life with friends also. There was a topic where we were talking about forgiveness,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
There was a topic where we were, you should say sorry, or about the grace, where you forgive people as well. So a lot of topics were there which you can implement it in your, not even your professional life but personal life as well.